What's up? It's Friday, so it's Korean barbecue time. Me and my friend Albert Ang, Wada vlogger. We come here for Friday dinner and eat all-you-can sushi and Korean barbecue. So after dinner, we're going to play billiard or pool, and this is our place, our favorite place, Korean barbecue. And our order is beef bulgogi, sushi, chicken, marinated chicken, shrimp, and spare rib, and like the New York steak. New York steak. We got everything right here. So like this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe in our YouTube channel, Hollywood Pinoy Wanderer. More videos to come.